Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you a much faster way to move columns in Excel. A lot of people do this the long way, by right-clicking the column letter, choosing Cut, then right-clicking another column letter and choosing Paste. And yes, that works fine, but there's a much quicker method. Step 1. Move a column with drag and drop. First, click the column letter to select the whole column. For example, I'll select column A. Now, move your mouse pointer to the edge of the column. As you hover just inside the border, you'll notice the mouse pointer changes from a plus sign to a four-headed arrow. Once you see that, just left-click, hold, and drag the column wherever you want it. If you drop it on a blank column, it moves right over without any issue. But if you drag it onto a column that already has data, Excel will warn you that there's data there and ask if you want to replace it. In most cases, you'll probably want to cancel, unless you really do want to overwrite. Step 2. Move into a filled area. If you do want to move the column into a spot where there's already data, here's a simple trick. Insert a blank column first. For example, if I want to move my column into column D, I can right-click column D, choose Insert, and now there's a blank space ready. Then I just grab my original column, drag it to the edge, and drop it into place. You can use either the right edge or the left edge of the column. Both work. Step 3. Copy a column instead of moving it. Here's another handy trick. If you hold down Control while dragging the edge of the column, instead of moving it, Excel will copy it. That means the original column stays where it was, and a duplicate is placed wherever you drop it. This is a great way to duplicate columns quickly without using copy and paste. Quick recap. So the next time you need to move or copy a column in Excel, select the column. Hover on the edge until you see the four arrows. Drag to move it. Hold Control while dragging if you want to copy instead. It's much faster than cutting and pasting, and once you try it, you'll never go back. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post new Excel tips.